Hi guys, this is Diane here from Design Creative, and today I'm going to be showing you really quickly a little website that I found online that I think will be beneficial for you and will save time for you in the long run when it comes to developing themes for your clients. Now, the website that I'm talking about is a site called WP Roller, and basically this site allows you to create your own WordPress installation packed with all the themes and the plugins that you would always use on your client sites anyway. So that will save you a lot of time, it will save you a lot of stress, and it just, yeah, basically having to upload WordPress or set up an installation of WordPress is fun. Adding a million plugins isn't. So let's have a look at the options that we have here. You can choose whether you want to add BuddyPress or add Jetpack. You have a list of plugins here that you can install. Let's have a look. So say if I wanted to install Contact Form 7, it gives you a link as well to where the actual plugin is. So if you wanted to get more information about this plugin, you can see here it will bring you straight to that link there. And funny enough, it's also got a donate button there, which is quite cool, I guess. So it's not only helping people, let me have a look. It's not only helping people get their plugins out there, it's also helping people to give money, so that's cool. I only just noticed that. You've got developer plugins here, you've got fonts and typography. I'm just randomly clicking any of them because, as you can see on the right hand side, there is a menu here which populates every time you add something new here. So as you can see, WordPress mobile themes, if I decide now I don't want that in there, I can just uncheck that and that will be fine. Even though it gives you a list of plugins that you can use, which I would suggest having a look through because there is a couple of gems in there which I didn't even know existed. But you can also add themes from the WordPress repository. So for instance, or should I say plugins. So for instance, Duplicator is a plugin that I use all the time. I can add this in there and it's automatically now going to add it. I can add maybe use any font, which is one that I use quite regularly. Use any font, and there you go, that's now going to be added. You can also grab plugins from GitHub, which is amazing. If any of you do use GitHub plugins, then yeah, that would be an excellent feature for you to use and take advantage of. You can also install themes. They have their own themes here, not their own as in WP Roller's own themes, but they've got a list of themes that you could possibly use with your site. And once you've gone through all those stages, then you can add in your details. So enter site title, test site, enter description. This is my test site. You can choose to get rid of the Hello Dolly plugin, the Hello Post, the page, and the sample comment that is there. And you can also set your time zone. So I'm going to set that to London. And then the next thing you do is you press roll it up. It takes a little while, a couple seconds, for it to roll it up in a package for you, which will be a zip package that you can download onto your desktop. Now, this type of website would definitely be beneficial for you if you're somebody that regularly has plugins that you use on every site. I know that I do have plugins that I use on every site. So this would be great for you, and all you can do really is download something like this and use this as a template for all of your clients at one time, if you're not already doing that, that is. Now, WP Roller has their own plans as well. So if we just have a look, you've got a basic plan which is free, you've got a developer plan at £5, and you've got an enterprise plan at $25 a month. I'm on the free one at the moment because I don't really it allows you to do obviously different things depending on what plan that you choose to go with. I've chosen the free one because I very rarely upload more than 5 independent plugins. I very rarely upload more than 5 independent plugins, and I definitely don't upload more than 5 themes. So if I go into my dashboard, what I mean by that is that even though you can upload plugins from the repository and they have their own list of plugins, you can also, if you have a plan, upload your own plugins as well. And like I said, I very rarely upload more than 5 independent plugins to a site unless it's really unless it's a really big site. And with the themes, you know, the only themes that I'm going to be uploading is headway themes and my child theme for that. So this would be great, and you can save your roll-ups as well. So if you need to come back to it, you can have different roll-ups for different things. So you can have a roll-up for e-commerce sites, you can have a roll-up for a portfolio site, you can have a roll-up for a blog. It's totally up to you, and then you can use those as your base startups. You just download the zip from your dashboard, and then you can just upload it, and there you go. You've got everything plugged in. You don't have to worry about A, B, or C. I think I've got a saved roll up here, which I do. So the only madness that I can think would happen to this is the fact that if your theme got upgraded or updated, or if a certain plugin that you've uploaded has been upgraded, then you would need to do your roll up again. That's the only negative thing that I find about this. There is no way for you to edit the actual roller that you've done. So maybe I can write to them and ask them if they can maybe have that as a suggestion, because then it would save a lot of time for us to have to go through all the plugins or having to go through everything that we've done and to change it. You see, there's no option here for us to edit what is in there. So anyway, apart from that, this is a really great website for you to check out. If you have the time, please check it out. Let me know how you get on, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye.